go. So welcome everyone, welcome to Dream Chasers TV. Okay, today we're going to analyze volatility 75 index. I'll just show you something which might be profitable for you when trading this pair. I'm not saying it's 100%, but you can make something out of this strategy only if you listen carefully and try to follow all the principles. You see that you make money off this strategy. We don't use any indicators, we just trade a plain chart because we communicate with the price. That's one thing I've learned about the market. We communicate with the price. I don't use any indicators, I trade a plain chart, as you can see. Okay, so before doing anything when trading, I personally do something known as top-down analysis. I start off the 4-hour. Usually these big time frames, I don't use them. I start off the 4-hour time frame because what I'll be looking for exactly is to see the trend. So okay, looking at this zone only, this area, we've been bearish. As you can see, we've been bearish. The market has been going to the downside. The market has been going to this downside of this range. When price moves sideways, we call it a range. Price has been ranging in this zone. Okay, so what I do is I highlight every point where I see equal lows and equal highs. I know you are wondering why I do this. It's because I would like to identify possible areas where manipulation can happen. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, I do not buy off equal lows. I do not sell off equal highs. The reason being, these are dangerous areas. I know you're confused right now that what's this guy saying? But honestly guys, I don't want to lie to you. These are dangerous areas to sell or to buy off these levels. I know most books tell you to buy off support levels and sell off resistance levels, but I don't follow that. I personally don't follow that, because I used to trade like that, but I came across something good which I like to share with you. Okay, so as I've said, we've been bearish, right? We've been bearish. Guys, you should trade with the trend, not against the trend. Make sure you follow that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and write 3 steps you need to follow in using my type of strategy. Okay, number 1 is trend. Right, 1 is trend. Let's go and put it here. First thing you need to do is see whether you are in an uptrend or are you in a downtrend. Right, in this case of this range, we are trending to the down side of the market. Okay, number two, we look for points of interest, POI. This is number 2, right? Number 2. look for what we call point of interest, which is the POI. Okay, guys, you all need to be patient, and I need you to listen carefully to this strategy. I'm sure it will help you somehow, somewhere. Okay. Number 3, we look at the hiding spots. Hiding spots. Points of interest, sorry. Not the hiding spots. We look for, it's the hiding spots. Okay, so basically these are the 3 things you need to follow when using my style of trading. Okay, so looking off this level, we see that we've been ranging, right? Ranging simply means price isn't taking either an upward move or a downward move, it's just moving sideways, right? As you can see, it's moving sideways. Okay, so the reason why I don't like to trade off equal support levels and equal resistance levels is because these are trap zones. I need you to listen to that. I'm gonna repeat myself again. These are trap zones. When you see equal lows or equal highs, just know that there is a lot of money below those levels or above those levels. Just because everyone is going to buy off this level, and the market makers know that. They know that you're going to buy off support levels. So it's like this move, it's already manipulated. This move is already manipulated. Because when you enter a buy here, obviously you place your stop loss is here, somewhere here. So there are many stop losses on this level, and the market makers know that. That's why I put these dollar signs below these levels, because there's a lot of money on those levels, right? So what I like to identify is, okay, we're ranging, right? And we're still in an uptrend. As you can see, this previous move, we're still in an uptrend. This uptrend is still valid till this higher low is broken, because when we're in an uptrend, we'll be creating lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher low, and higher highs. Okay. Let me go quick on this. I don't want to take much of your time. Let me try to break it down into the simplest forms. Okay, so we see that we've created equal lows, equal lows of this level, and we came and broke this structure, retested, and started to range, right? When you see price creating equal lows, put away, I want to change your mindset. Whenever you see equal highs or equal lows, don't take a trade off that level. Just believe that it's a trap move. It's a trap move. There's a lot of money sitting above or below those levels, right? So we wait, we look to the left, right? When we break structure, we look to the left. Whenever you see a push up, a little push up before the push down, that can be valid to be considered as a hiding spot, right? Where banks hide. this is where the institutional traders hide. So I'm gonna highlight this area, right? Okay, it's valid to the week. Yes, still valid to the week. Okay, so what you do every time when you see when price break structure and starts to range, you highlight this level where it range, creating equal highs, and then you look to the left and you find a possible hiding spot for the banks where price would like to reach before pushing down, right? Let's go to a smaller time frame. Okay, I've highlighted my point of interest. We see we have this push up before the move down. Okay, we highlight that as well. In fact, what you do, you mark half of the candle where you see the last push up before the push down. Okay, this push up before the push down, I would mark half of the candle, right? So this is the zone where I would like to take my sell off, right? I will take my sell off this horizontal line, right? Okay, let's see what price did. Because guys, if you know basic market structure, right, whenever we break the previous structure, right, let's say we break to the downside, we broke this structure, we're expecting a lower high before we sell, right? So take a look. I've identified the hiding spot where the banks could have possibly hide, right? And I marked this level, and this is the zone where I would be interested to take myself off. Okay, look, a lot of people sold off these levels, but look what price came and did. It came and broke and collected all the money sitting above this level, and it dropped, right? And you'll be like, I was sure that this thing was going to sell. You were not sure because you ended too early in the market, right? So guys, look how perfect is this entry. Look how perfect is this entry. If you would have taken a sell, if you would have taken a sell off this level, look how many pips. Look guys. You see, simple basic market structure can make you a lot of money. Let me look for another example. Okay, let's use this. Okay, all right, let me use this level. All right, we see price came to this point, to our sell zone, and it sold, right? As you all know that when we are in a downtrend, we'll be creating lower highs, guys. So what I would like you to do is point out another hiding spot that could be possible. All right, you see this rapid fall down. We have this bullish move before the bearish move, right? We mark this level, this push upwards before the push down. Okay guys, remember what I've told you. When you see this impulsive move and price starts to range, creating equal highs you should not take that trade. You look to the left and find a possible hiding spot. I could have considered this one, but it didn't work out, so we would have used this one. Okay, so we would have used this one. Look how price came and broke this structure and came exactly into our point of interest and sold off. Look how amazing this strategy is. So if you practice on your price action, if you improve your eyesight, you will be profitable with this index, right? So for those who want more on how to use this strategy, you can DM me on my Instagram. It's Timothy Mick Official. You can DM me, I'll reply. You can also watch other videos that we have posted. I'll attach our Telegram link. You can join our group where we send signals and some setups so that you can be profitable as well. Yeah, so guys, this is it. You need to practice. Watch this video over and over. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that when we post some value, you could see it. I'll post as many setups as I can on this channel, including the currency pairs, because I trade the currency pairs mostly in Vix75 only, and crash 500 sometimes. So thank you guys for watching. Practice this and make some money. Repeat it, practice, guys. Work on your price action, because these markets, right, we make money from communicating with the price. I don't use any indicator. Maybe the indicator I use is the Fibonacci retracement. I'll make a video on how I use it in relation to this strategy. Okay, thank you guys.